Hi there, welcome to our channel. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S line of Android tablets are the primary alternative to Apple's iPad. The recent premium Galaxy tablet that we have seen are the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus with their big screens, stylus and keyboard accessories. And while most other manufacturers have been sticking to low-end tablets, Samsung has been showcasing what a top-tier Android tablet should be like. Now their successors, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and S8 Plus are probably in the works. The latest rumors hint that the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series may arrive with a couple of nice upgrades. However, this information also suggests that we may lose charging speed. The alleged specs of the new Galaxy Tab S8 and S8 Plus have recently been mentioned by the Galox. According to the information shared, the new Galaxy Tab S8 series will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is not surprising given that the premium tablet for Samsung always gets the latest processor. The Tab S8 series could be coming in RAM options like 8GB and 12GB. It could be available in storage models such as 128, 256 and 512GB. Now what's surprising is that the tablet will reportedly have the exact same display configuration and fingerprint sensor location as last year's model. The smaller variant will feature a 11-inch 120Hz LCD, whereas the Plus model will boast a 12.4-inch 120Hz AMOLED panel. Likewise, battery capacities of the Galaxy Tab S8 and S8 Plus will remain unchanged at 8000 mAh and 10090 mAh respectively, but fast charging will be downgraded to 25W. Now we advise you to take this information with a pinch of salt, as these are some early leaks and rumors and the specs may change over time. We here at TechAvid believe that the Plus model may get some upgrades in display technology as well as the display size, and with that comes the need to increase the battery capacity as well. We also expect upgrades in software capabilities and multitasking features. With that being said, we are at the end of this small video. Do subscribe if you want to be updated on this tablet. Thank you for watching. Peace out.